Hey guys, well, I found another park on the satellite. It's called North Irwin Park. Now, it doesn't look like it's that far from here, so I'm gonna go try to find it, but I'm gonna try to find it on the bike because when I looked on the satellite, it doesn't look like they have a parking lot. So I'll find out when I get there. Yeah, it doesn't look like it has a parking lot, so I wouldn't know where to park if I got up there. I don't want to park in somebody's driveway, you know, so yeah, it looks like the parking lot does not exist. I have to stop over here and kick on my taillight. I forgot to put my taillight on. Okay, so I think I gotta go up here. Okay, welcome to North Irwin Borough. So I guess, okay, so yeah, before the bridge I had to turn. Oh God, look at this damn hill. Oh, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it up this mountain. Okay, so I may never be going to this park. Let's get this cobblestone road going on here. Holy tamale. Yeah, let's get rid of this cobblestone stuff. Get some blacktop on here. You know, they like to leave this stuff on here for nostalgia, but you know what? Screw the nostalgia. It's, okay, so I think that's where I had to, I think maybe I have to go up this Foster Avenue. Let me take a look at my map real quick. Yeah, I gotta go on this road right here. Whew, Lordy. Yeah, the hills around here, man, they'll eat you alive. Seriously. I'm just trying to get my breath back here. Ugh. Let me see here. Do I go all the way to the end there, or just keep going and veer off to the right? Okay, so I see it down there. I can see where the road turns, it veers off to the right. Okay, so we're gonna go downhill for a while, which means we're gonna be going uphill when we come back. Oh, that's a dead end right there, but there is a stop sign here. All right, so go to the right. No. So actually, it's not that far. It's just that brutal hill right there. Oh, here it says playground. Okay, so let's go over here. Check this out. Open dusk till dawn type deal, like most parks in PA. Okay, so they got an outhouse. That's a plus. Really is not any. I don't see any parking. I see this alley, and this is very over. It doesn't look like it's maintained at all. I guess you could just park up here. You know, you could just pull right in here to park. So yeah, there's somebody over there walking, probably walking a dog. No, well, I guess not. No dogs allowed. But guess what? That don't mean nothing. People break rules. Rules are made to be broken, right? Okay, so yeah, it doesn't look too bad. You could come up here, park right here. Yeah, this is doable. I'm looking for some place to fly the drones. You know, the small little toy drones, and you know, shoot some videos and stuff like that. And so you can tell, since this was not kept up that well, that it's probably not going to be that many people here. So it's a pretty big, actually it's a pretty big field right there. The baseball field is pretty big. I don't think this lady does have a dog, actually. I think she's just walking by herself. So we're going to let her be to doing her own thing there. Okay, so it was an easy cruise to find this place. Actually, pretty easy stuff. Like I said, you know, from the satellite there, you can't tell whether there's anywhere to park. So I didn't want to have to come over here and like park on the street or something, you know, down here in front of somebody's house. You know, because whenever that happens, you know, that's when all the Karens show up. When you start parking in front of somebody's house, they start popping out of the woodwork, you know. All right, guys, I'm going to head back. I just wanted to see what the heck was happening over here, this park. So, yeah, it doesn't look like a bad little park there. All right, guys, I'm not going to bore you with the trip back. We'll just cut it right here. We found what we were looking for. That's good enough. All right, guys, have a nice day.